What's up guys, back with another video. My name's Alec and today I'm gonna be giving you guys 5 training tips to use in the gym, outdoors, wherever you guys are working out at. But anyways, let's hop straight into tip number 1. So off the bat, tip number 1 is to set goals and have a plan in place for your training. Getting into fitness without a game plan, without a training plan is essentially just like hopping into a football game without any idea on what's going on or having a game plan with your team. If you don't have a plan in place, you're not going to be keeping yourself in check and you're not going to be seeing results. So it's important that before you begin on your fitness journey that you have goals in place and things that you want to achieve and work towards. And it's important to be specific with these goals as well. Not just, I want to gain muscle, or I want to lose fat, or I want to increase endurance and overall health. So a few examples of being more specific with your fitness goals is increasing your push-up reps and the max amount of push-ups you can do, increasing the weight on your max bench press. And along with being specific with your fitness goals is also being able to track your progress as you go and setting micro goals along the way to reaching your ultimate goal. So for me personally, tracking progress and being very specific with the goals I have for myself and the things I want to achieve within fitness has helped me a ton in getting to where I am today. So let's just say I'm trying to do a muscle up. Obviously, I'm not gonna be able to muscle up if I don't have the strength, I don't have the skill, and I don't have the muscle memory. So in order to work towards that muscle up, what, am I just gonna keep trying muscle ups? No, I'm gonna work in micro goals in order to achieve the ultimate goal. So an example of micro goals would be working in progressions of the muscle up. So let's say, first I'm gonna work on the swing that gets you into the muscle up on top of the bar. Then I'm gonna work on my explosive pull-ups and seeing how far I can get over the bar in these explosive pull-ups. Then I can work on muscle up negatives. So I start on top of the bar and I work my way down to form the strength to get back up. So things like that are definitely gonna keep you more motivated than walking into the gym and knowing that you're trying to lose fat or gain strength in X amount of time. So just remember to set the bar low at first and you can work up from that. If you're setting the bar too high for yourself, especially in the beginning, that is not gonna help with keeping you motivated to work towards your training goals and you're just gonna get burnt out. So tip number 2 is to listen to music during your workouts. As soon as I started listening to music, I noticed a crazy difference in my workouts. So if you're someone that feels super insecure in the gym, especially if you're a beginner, just putting some earphones and headphones in and just blasting music is gonna really help with getting your mind off the uneasy feelings when you're walking in the gym. Also, listening to music, especially for me, has helped with distracting my brain when it comes to time. When I'm working out for about 45 minutes to an hour, it feels more like 20 to 30 minutes. And it also helps numb or block out some of the pain during your reps. So personally, I've been able to squeeze out more reps or get a few more push-ups in and hit new personal records just because I have music on. And it really just helps get my adrenaline running, gets me pumped up. So especially if you're having trouble even getting to the gym, just blasting some music in your ears pre-workout is a great option. So tip number 3 is to always remember how you feel after you've worked out. So when you're laying in bed debating whether you're going to even go to the gym or not, remember how you feel after you work out. I know that you've never regretted going to the gym after you've already completed it. And get addicted to the post-workout endorphin rush because honestly, that is one of the greatest feelings and that's why I continue to work out consistently every single week. And also picture yourself in the end result. Imagine yourself in the spot you want to be, where your goals and achievements are. Think about how you feel in that moment. So tip number 4 is to work out with a partner. Not only is it way more fun to train with someone else than training alone, but you're gonna be holding each other accountable, whether that's in the gym, making sure that you're going all out on every set and every exercise, but also just getting to the gym in the first place. You guys are gonna keep each other in check, and you're both going to be showing consistency. And so working out with another person is also gonna bring up a little friendly competition as well. So that will definitely help push you and motivate you to be achieving those goals you have. A quick warning though, don't do too much socializing during your workout. Stay focused on what you're doing, and then keep the talk for later after the workout. Because I've even done it myself. I'll be working out with another individual and 2 hours will have went by and we have only done 4 actual exercises because we've been talking so much. So make sure you keep each other on check, stay focused on the workout, and keep the talk for later. So on to my last and final tip. Tip number 5 is to find those personal driving factors that motivate you to train. So for me personally, a big motivation for me is, since I do a lot of intermittent fasting during the week, is that first meal I'm going to cook up and eat as soon as I get home from my workout. So that helps a lot with motivating me to get in the gym, and it sort of is like a reward for my hard work in the gym. So whether it's the food you get to eat after as a post-workout, or it could be to get a great looking body to show off or pick up more guys or girls. So whatever that driving factor is, you kind of have to figure out what works for you and what those small driving factors are that are gonna motivate you to get your butt in the gym, outside, and start getting into that consistent training and hard work. So again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my future uploads. I'm gonna be uploading every single week, so you won't wanna miss it. And please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and were able to find anything helpful from it, or hit the dislike button if you didn't like this video. But please leave a comment giving me any feedback or suggestions you have, or just sharing with me what you found helpful, or a little bit about your training and your fitness and where you're at. But anyways, thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.